Hi, this is Mucker671. Just want to try and find out a bit of information, if possible, on Runnymede Pleasure Ground. I've been filming up Runnymede Way, and I'd like to do a piece on this spot. I've already edited a whole piece, but I've not actually been able to find out any information on the fishing side of things. Whether it's free, whether you pay with parking ticket or something. I think that maybe the fishing might be in with that, or whether it's private, I'm not actually sure. So I'd really appreciate if anybody knows about Runnymede Pleasure Ground and the fishing, if they can just drop a comment in the comment section below explaining where we can get tickets from, and I'll do a full piece on it. I thought I'd better let you know as well that I have actually done quite a bit of research. I've tried the Angling Trust, the Environment Agency, Runnymede Borough Council, local tackle shops, all that type of thing online, but I haven't found anything really. Well, a tackle shop came up with something saying that the fishing was in with the parking here, but I'm not sure how accurate that is, I'm afraid. Everyone's been very helpful, by the way. The council, Angling Trust and everybody really have been helpful, but just haven't been able to get the relevant information. If anybody knows, could you leave a comment below explaining the situation, and I'll do a full piece on this section in the future. If you'd like to see more on free fishing, free parking, good access, great access sometimes on the River Thames, also got a bit of camping and fishing on the River Wye, it's YouTube channel Mucker671. Thanks for watching.